If you're not using a luxury tool for your dropshipping business in 2026 and beyond, best of luck to you, because in today's video, we're going to be talking about the only tools to use if you're dropshipping on Shopify. So tool number one is not an app or software or any sort of thing like that. It helps you find winning products and create UGC ads. I don't have an affiliate link for this. However, I should maybe set one up for this video, but there's going to be a link below this video. Here's how.
Before we get into it, I personally use all 7 of these tools for my own dropshipping business, and I access every single one of them through one dashboard. I'm not paying for 7 separate subscriptions. I'm paying one price, $29 a month, and I'll drop the link to that platform in the description below. Now let's get into the tools. Number 1. Claude. Normally around $20 a month on its own. I use this for long-form product descriptions and cleaning up ad scripts, so they actually sound human instead of robotic. It's the one I lean on most for writing that needs to hold someone's attention. Number 2, ChatGPT, also around $20 a month standalone. This is my quick turnaround tool, brainstorming angles, drafting ad copy variations fast when I need 5 options in 5 minutes, not one perfect option in 30. Number 3, Pippi ads. Their basic plan alone runs about $49 a month. I use this specifically to see what ads are actually running right now on TikTok and Facebook, so I'm not guessing what's working, I'm copying what's proven. Number 4, Winning Hunter, typically around $40 a month by itself. This one's built for catching winning products early, before every other store has already flooded the market with the same item. Number 5, Shop Hunter. Their basic tier runs about $50 a month solo. I use this to dig into specific competitor stores directly, see what they're actually selling, and reverse engineer what's driving their sales. Number 6, Higgsfield. Standalone plans start around $19 a month and climb from there depending on how much video you generate. This is where I create AI video ad creative without hiring an editor or a videographer. Number 7, Calodata. Usually around $40 a month on its own. This is my analytics tool, tracking what's actually converting so I know where to put more ad spend and where to pull back. Add those 7 up separately, and you're easily past $200 a month to run my dropshipping business. I access all 7, plus dozens more, through one dashboard for $29 a month total through one single dashboard. Here's the bigger picture. Don't stop at these 7. That same dashboard gives you access to tools for analytics, SEO, and different platforms, so you can actually measure how AI commerce is growing and why sellers are spending less on spy tools and video generation every month. The link to access all of this is in the description below. A lot of sellers are already using this exact approach to save money up front, so that money can go toward what actually matters, testing more products and running more ads. It's a win-win. Go check the link below and start using all 7 of these tools today.